So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and keep exact measurement for the reference image that we bring in inside of SketchUp. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here onto File and click on Import. And let's say, for example, I'm going to take this floor plan right here. And as I bring this floor plan, what actually happens is that you see the measurements right here. They're not as per the standard. So I actually resize this out right here, and as I resize it, the feet that is set right here may not be exactly as it is being shown right here. So to make sure that it is the exact length, so here you can see meters and feet. So in my case, my software is set for feet. So I'm just going to go around and then go ahead and then set it out as feet right here. So now I want to make sure that this section right here is exactly 1 feet. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and take the tape measure tool right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click right here and then click right here just like this. Once you go ahead and click it, this is supposed to be 1 feet. So let's click right here just like this. So click and then click right here and type in 1 feet right here, just like this, and it says, do you want to resize the model? Press yes, and then what happens is that that is exactly resized out to 1 feet now. So if I were to go ahead and then take the tape measure tool, you can see that as I go around over here just like this, it's exactly 1 feet right here just like this. And now once the reference is changed out just like that, what happens is that the other parts is resized accordingly as well. And that is how you can set the exact reference measurement inside of SketchUp as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.